You can read the spoken text in your own language. Just turn on subtitles and choose auto-translate. You can also pause, rewind, or slow down the video anytime. Open the settings with the gear icon in the bottom right corner. This playful textured stitch would definitely win first place in any loose knitters contest. It's made from just a 3-stitch repeat over 2 rows, yet it's surprisingly fun and never boring to work. So how does this simple repeat create such a striking texture? In the first row, we group the stitches into sets of 3. On the wrong side, we rearrange the outer stitches of each group. And that little twist is what keeps the fabric smooth and uniform, not ribbed. And what creates the diagonal movement across the surface. For these beautiful edges, I use a yarn over and slip one at the beginning, and knit them together at the end. Let's see how it's done. Begin by casting on a multiple of 3, plus your edge stitches. I have 29 stitches on my needle. First row. Edge stitch. Knit 3 stitches together through the back loop. Yarn over. Knit the same 3 stitches together again, then drop all 3 stitches off the needle. Repeat to the end of the row, finish with edge stitch. Second row. Edge stitch. Purl 1. Purl 1. Then purl the second stitch, then the first stitch. And drop both stitches. Repeat to the end of the row, finish with edge stitch. Repeat these 2 rows to continue the pattern. If you enjoyed this video, please support my work by liking and sharing it. And don't forget to subscribe for more patterns and tutorials. Thank you so much for your support.